So let's start with a fun fact. Did you know that approximately 60 million people around the world currently own a pet lizard? Yep, they're becoming quite popular. But lizards aside, pet ownership is on the rise across the globe, bringing lots of joy, love, and furry family members into people's lives. But here's a twist. While our four-legged, feathered or scaled friends bring us endless happiness, they can also bring unexpected expenses. We're talking vet bills, treatments, and those little accidents that happen at home. These costs can really add up, and sometimes a lot of pet owners find themselves in a tough spot financially. This is where pet insurance comes in. Just like health insurance for people, pet insurance helps cover the cost of medical treatment for our beloved companions. But here's where things get interesting. Despite the rising number of pet owners worldwide, pet insurance isn't as common as you might think. In fact, in many countries, less than 5% of pets are insured. So in this video, we're going to take a deep dive into a very important question. Why don't more pet owners consider getting pet insurance for their furry family members? And is this something that you should think about for your own pet? So let's break down some of the key reasons why pet insurance adoption is still limited. Firstly, there's a lack of awareness. Many pet owners simply are unaware that pet insurance exists, or they may not fully understand how it works. This is especially true in countries where pet insurance is relatively new. Secondly, cost is a major factor. Some pet owners may find the monthly premiums and deductibles to be too expensive, especially if they already have other insurance policies or financial obligations. Thirdly, limited options. The availability of pet insurance companies varies from country to country. In some areas, there may be only a few companies that offer pet insurance, which can restrict choices and potentially lead to higher premiums. Lastly, people often wait for emergencies. Many pet owners only consider pet insurance when they face a sudden vet bill or an emergency situation. By then, it's often too late, and they're already dealing with the financial burden of an unexpected expense. However, despite these limitations, pet insurance adoption is on the rise in some countries. So let's talk about that. What factors are driving the growth of the pet insurance industry? Well, firstly, we have rising vet costs. Veterinary care is becoming more expensive worldwide, and pet insurance can help ease the financial strain of those costs. Secondly, changing perceptions. More people are now treating their pets as part of their family, and this shift in attitude has led to increased investment in pet health and well-being. Thirdly, increased awareness. Thanks to social media, online communities, and educational campaigns, more pet owners are learning about pet insurance and its benefits. And lastly, new market entrants. Insurance companies are recognizing the potential of the pet insurance market, especially in Asia and the Middle East, and are entering these markets to offer a variety of plans. Now let's address the big question. Should you get pet insurance for your beloved companion? If you live in a country where pet insurance is available and affordable, it can be a wise investment. Pet insurance can provide peace of mind knowing that you have financial support for unexpected vet bills. However, if you live in a country where insurance is not common or it's too expensive, consider setting aside a monthly amount in a pet emergency fund. That way you'll have savings specifically set aside for unexpected veterinary expenses. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to get pet insurance is a personal one. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and consider your own financial situation and the needs of your pet. So what do you think? Is pet insurance worth the investment, or do you prefer the approach of saving for unexpected expenses? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for more informative content about pet health and care. And to always stay updated, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more valuable tips. Until next time.